Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your Garmin DriveSmart 55. So in order to do that, you will need to go to the settings, scroll down, device, and then at the bottom you will see the reset setting. Press on it and select delete data and reset settings. Say yes, and all the data and every recorded things that you store on your device will be deleted that way, and you will have the device like it was brand new. Okay, the device just restarted and we can begin setting it up new again. So let's pick the language. It's United Kingdom for English. Accept all the licenses, skip the app for now. You can connect to Wi-Fi if you want. I'm gonna skip it for now. Agree. And our device is set up. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.